In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Odoo to MindCloud API integration. Now, before we dive into the technical steps, let's get a clear understanding of what we aim to achieve. By successfully setting up this integration, you'll be able to sync your data seamlessly between Odoo and MindCloud, allowing you to streamline your operations and maximize efficiency. Firstly, we'll begin by opening Odoo and signing in with your credentials. Once logged in, it's crucial to take note of some specific pieces of information, as we'll need these later on. These include your Odoo URL, the database name, your username, and your password. Have these details at hand, as they will be essential for the integration process with MindCloud. Next, we shift our focus to MindCloud. Log into your MindCloud account to access its user interface. Once you're in, navigate to the section labeled Connections. Here you'll want to click on Add Connection. You'll notice a list of various applications, and in this instance, make sure to select Odoo. As we proceed, you'll see fields prompting you to enter the Odoo URL, the database name, your username, and password. This is where the information you noted earlier becomes pertinent. Carefully input your Odoo URL and database name, followed by your username and password. Ensuring accuracy at this step is crucial, as any deviation in these details might lead to connectivity issues later. With those parameters set, it's time to ensure everything is working smoothly. Click on Test Connection to check the integrity and connectivity of the setup. If everything is configured correctly, this step should confirm a successful connection. It's an encouraging signal about your setup, indicating that we're ready to move on. Once the connection test is successful, make sure to click Save to preserve your settings and enable the integration to function effectively. Now, connecting Odoo and MindCloud is just the start. Now we will set up a workflow to optimize operations. Head over to the Workflows section and click on Create Workflow. Here you'll select Odoo as the app of choice, and another series of options will become available, allowing you to choose a trigger or an action. Depending on your requirements, you can map the required fields. By doing this, you're essentially detailing how data flows between Odoo and MindCloud, customizing it to meet your specific needs. Now, before wrapping things up, it's wise to run a test. This ensures that the data transfer is happening as expected. Verify the data in Odoo, confirming that everything aligns correctly and that all the processes are operating smoothly. Finally, once you've verified that all settings and data transfers are correct, turn on the workflow. This will activate the integration setup, allowing the two systems to work harmoniously. Remember, successful API integration can significantly enhance your business processes, so congratulations on taking this step toward improved productivity.